Crunch time here in the series. Welcome back, everyone. James Cybulski and Ray Ferraro for EA Sports. Game number 4 in the playoffs. Opening face-off is set to go. Referee Gilles Levesque is ready to drop the puck. This is what you play for. Moments like this, you can feel the energy in this building, and we are underway. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Feeds it on over to Makar. The Bolts ready to go on the attack. Stones him in front.
Great tracking. He finds the puck. He gets the glove up. Makes the save on a dangerous chance.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. Still looking for our first goal. The Bolts win the draw. And the puck leaves the zone. He's got a step. We got a penalty coming up here on the play. There's the whistle, and here's the call. The Lightning have been handed a 2-minute penalty for charging. As they step into the face-off circle, let's see if they can take advantage on this power play.
You kind of muddle along in a 0-0 game, and now you got a real chance to break that score open. A first power play for them.
Nice job to escape the zone. The Avalanche have taken possession along the wall. Colorado's on the attack. Nice pass. He scores!
Well, they've been hoping that the extra work they've done on the power play would help them capitalize. They do a nice job there.
The Avs with about as perfect a road start you can get here, Ray.
They came out and wanted to be aggressive, sure, but you never really think you're going to get on the board this quickly.
Receives the pass. Tampa Bay's got the puck here in the open ice. The Avs take over on possession. Can't get it to go. Oh, we'll get some tired defenders as icing is the call.
Everybody likes to think of themselves as a little bit of a clutch performer. If you score at this time of the year, you are that.
The Avs win the draw.
And he got right over top of that one. That's a big face-off win for him.
And no luck on that pass attempt. The Lightning have it on the attack. And a stick breaks that up. Grabbed along the boards by Palat. Pass back to the point. And that's broken up in the defensive zone by Burakovsky. Puck scooped up by Manson. Quick feed to O'Connor. Tampa Bay's got control of it now from their own end. Slides the puck over. Slides it across to Colton. And that's a smart heads-up play by O'Connor. Puck dumped in. The Lightning have possession along the boards. You'll need more than that to beat them. The Lightning have the puck in their own end. Here they come inside the neutral zone. Errant pass, and they can't connect. Broken up with the stick in the defensive end. Now he takes it over the line. Long reach breaks up the momentum. And it's a quick pass to Colton. Takes the feed. Streaking through center, they go on the attack. Tampa Bay's got it now. Along the half wall with the puck. Picked up along the boards by Aubé-Kubel. Puck picked up by Kucherov. The Avs have it in the offensive zone. Puts it to the front of the net. Can't finish. Oh, Ray, and blown opportunity.
It really is. I mean, the play is sitting right there. There's a scoring chance to be had. They just don't execute it.
And now it's grabbed by Lehkonen. Here he is, wrists it on net. Too much traffic in the lane. Over the line they come. An easy save by Kemper. The Avs have it now. Along the right wing, they enter the attacking area. The Bolts gain control of the puck. And now they look to make something happen from the neutral zone. Harry's going to play it against the half wall. Centering pass! Stopped by Kemper. possession of the puck. Gaining momentum along the wing. Here he is in close. Oh, a clutch save! In front, and a stoppage on the play as the goaltender covers things up. Still lots of time left here in this frame. Colorado's ahead 1-0. The Bolts win the draw. Dishes it to Belmar. And he slides it quickly to Perry. And he uses his reach to disrupt the play. The Lightning have gained control of the puck along the wall. Stays with it. Now a quick pass to Perry. Takes the feed. And he takes a shot. And he comes up with it. Kemper's going to opt for the whistle and give everybody a chance to breathe.
Sometimes you get running around as the shift gets long. This helps.
Both teams readying here for the face-off. Belmar's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Sends the pass over. Quick pass to Johnson. The Avs take it along the wall. Battle along the boards. Picked up along the wall by Foot. Nice feed from the right wing. Gets the puck in deep. The Avs have it now. Taken along the wall by Cirelli. Great poke by Belmar. From the place 99 made famous. Here's a shot. Blocked in traffic. Grabs control of it at the point. And he slides it quickly to Maroon. With possession along the wall. Puck sent over to Lehkonen. Colorado's across the blue line. Great defensive effort with the stick. Sends it quickly to Johnson. Thunderous collision along the wall. The Lightning have the puck against the boards. And now it's over to Belmar. With the steal. The Avalanche have the puck in their own zone. Sends a pass over. Here they come up along the wing. And just a good old-fashioned solid body check on the play. From the left side, they enter the attacking zone. He grabs the puck here at the point. Cutting to the front of the net. Here's a short pass to Colton. And that doesn't exactly go tape to tape. And he makes the save on that play. McKinnon's got it on the offensive end. Oh, had a chance to make a nice move, and the puck disagreed with him.
McKinnon's close to pulling off a great move there. Just denied in zone.
Scooped up along the wall by Helm. Taken by Sturm. Moves the puck to Comfer. Takes the pass. And now he moves it quickly to Comfer. The Avs played along the wing. Here he is with the backhander. Oh, he got all of that. What a save by Vasilevsky. Here in the late goings of the period, Colorado's up 1-0. Well, that's one way to win the draw as he skates away with the puck after the two centers were tied up. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Moves it quickly over to Kucherov. That pass doesn't go. He scores!
Now you got to keep clawing back. Trailing in the game, they get the equalizer.
He made a great, accurate pass and picks up the assist thanks to his tape-to-tape superstar ability. His teammates just love when he distributes the puck like that, guys.
From the left side, they enter the offensive zone. Takes a shot. Kemper's going to hang on for a whistle.
McKinnon's known to deke at top speeds with his ankle breaker zone ability. Stamkos makes ripping one-timers past the goalie look so easy. That's his 1T zone ability, and he gets so much power behind his shot. Look out for one of these players to be a big factor in tonight's game. James and Ray, back to you.
And he denied that opportunity. And now he angles it across to Chernak. Tried to connect the pass, but it doesn't go. Colorado's got the puck along the wall. Moves it to O'Connor with the stop. Handles the puck. Quick feed to Stamkos. Moves the puck. The Bolts gain control of it. Things starting to get a little physical out there. The Avalanche have gained control of the puck in their own zone. Tampa Bay's got it behind the net. Trying to engage a little physicality here. Driving right to the front. Oh, he gets a blocker on it. What a stop by Vasilevsky. The Avalanche have it now. Puck grab by Cernak. Vasilevsky's on top of that one for a whistle.
A little bit of traffic starting to form around the net.
In the final moments of this period, we are all tied up in this one. Tampa Bay's got possession here in their own end and tries to make a diagonal pass to Paul. Nice pass. That's turned away with the pad by Kemper. Receives the pass. And he loses possession of the puck after trying to make one too many moves. Turned aside with the glove by Vasilevsky. Official signals for the players to get into position, and we're about ready to drop the puck. The Avs take possession off the faceoff. Off a stick, and they can't connect. And with the buzzer, that puts a bow on the first 20 minutes of play. We've got lots more still to come. Second period action next, right here.
Hey fans, we have a car on the east lot with its lights on. FSB 4494. If you don't know your license plate, it's a blue sedan.
They're ready to drop the puck here on period number 2. James Cybulski, Ray Ferraro bringing you all the action. Second period now underway. We'll see how much longer this thing stays tied. Slides the puck over. Gets a piece of it to keep it out.
Sometimes you make a good shot and you just get beaten by the goaltender. I'd say that's one that you put in that category.
Gains the zone on the left wing. Stopped by the goaltender, getting a piece of that one. Still plenty of time left in this frame. The next goal could be a big one as we are tied. McKinnon's won the draw. Oh, just a great heads-up play by Hedman. The Bolts are on the attack. Puck scooped up by Hedman. And it's a quick pass to Stamkos. Oh, how did he get a glove on that? What a stop by Kemper. Streaking into the attacking zone from the right. And that pass goes off a stick. Grabbed along the boards by Hedman. Quick feed to Taves. Takes the feed at center and moves forward. Couldn't complete the pass. Takes a wrist shot. What a play defensively to block that. Through pass ahead. Quick pass to Kucherov. And uses the length of his stick to knock that puck away. And he slides it quickly to Burakovsky. Slides it across to Kadri. Here's a shot. Glove save made by Vasilevsky. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play. If you're not sure what's going on, freeze the puck.
Teams are ready to go, and we're about moments away from puck drop. Colorado's got it, and they're on the attack. Oh, what a stop! Scores!
One thing to score in the regular season, now you get to where the money's all sitting there. The playoff games are super intense, and he's on the board.
The Avs make their way back to the face-off circle at center ice, clinging to a one-goal lead.
Now, this middle period will have great importance. They have the one-goal lead. You don't want to give it back.
Looking to make something happen along the boards. Hangs onto the puck. Picked up along the boards by Burakovsky. That's off a stick. The Bolts take it across the line. Here's a short pass to Palat, and he makes the save. And the puck stopper jumps on top of it to get a stoppage in play. Still early on in this frame, James and Ray with you. So glad you could join us. The Avs have taken the lead here over the last few minutes. They'd love to build on it. Tampa Bay's won the draw, and they'll go to work. Fantastic save! Great read with the stick. Moves it quickly over to Paul. Gives them nothing in front. The Avs move it in. Compher's got it deep in the offensive end. The Avalanche have taken possession along the wall. Here's an offensive chance. Oh, how did he keep it out? What a blocker stop by Vasilevsky. Tees him up. Brilliant save, read it perfectly. And the goaltender grabs that one for a whistle to try to slow things down here. Plenty of playing time left in this frame. Colorado's up 2-1, and the crowd has been enjoying this one. The Bolts win it, and he gets in the lane to block that. Good battle along the boards for the puck. And that's knocked aside with the stick by Sturm. He almost lost it for a second there, but regains control of the puck. Keeps possession. Colorado's got it in their own zone. Sturm's picking up momentum through center. Tampa Bay's got the puck in their own end. Here they come. Tampa Bay's got the puck against the boards. Makes the save with the trapper. Looks like there's a delayed penalty being called here by the officials. And their first chance to use the man advantage.
The power play gets an unbelievable opportunity to tie this game up. Trailing by 1, this is a big chance in this game.
And they get the puck out of the defensive end. From their own end, trying to kickstart this power play. Read perfectly with the stick at center by Nichushkin. Moves it to point. The Avs have possession shorthanded. Here's a chance to get it out. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, that's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
Into the offensive end now. Quick feed to Killorn. Oh, he got a little sliver of it, and it stays out. They'll get set to drop the puck as this power play continues. Sturm's won it off the faceoff. Trying to clear the puck from his own end. And they get it down.
Yeah, good communication. They talk to each other. They're in the right spot. They just clear it down the ice.
The Bolts take it across the blue line. And he says no! And they get that puck down the ice.
Johnson's ready to join the play.
Quick pass to Kucherov. Tampa Bay's looking to break out. No goals on the power play, and they still trail by 1.
Well, that's a missed opportunity, isn't it? A chance to tie. They don't cash in, and now we're back to 5-on-5.
Works it across to Ruda. And they'll go the other way with it. Great play by Burakovsky. Along the boards, they battle for the puck. And now it's grabbed by Sergachev. Down the right side and into the zone. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. And some good footwork to kick it away. And that's broken up. Gains the zone through center. Makes a move in front. That's gloved by Vasilevsky.
We often talk about a goalie's reflexes. You've got to have quick hands to make a glove stop like that.
More than half the period has expired. It's 2-1. Tampa Bay's won the draw. Loose puck battle along the boards. The Bolts have it against the wall. They try to maintain possession inside the defensive zone. Palat's got it along the wing. And that one's broken up. Colorado's got it along the wall. Centering pass! And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Good read with the stick to break that up. Palat's got the puck. Here's a short pass to Cirelli. Pad save. He's on it tonight. Along the right side into the offensive zone. Takes the feed. Sends the pass over. And that one's broken up. Great block there. The Avalanche have taken to the offensive attack. Moves it quickly over to Lehkonen. And there's the whistle, a much-needed one after he decides to hang on.
That was a mess in front of him. He's able to jump on the puck and get a face-off.
Both teams are set. They're ready to drop the puck. The Avs win the face-off. Quick shot. Denies him. He got all of it. And there's the whistle as he elects to slow things down a little.
A pretty good decision here with the play starting to break down in front of him.
The Bolts win it in the defensive zone. Lets it go. And that's denied by the goaltender. Oh, and another big stop. Takes the feed. Moves it to Maroon. Here's a shot. Makes the save. Can't connect on the pass. Rantanen's got it through the neutral zone. Knocked away in the offensive zone. Great feed from the left side. Now a quick pass to Maroon. The Bolts played along the boards. Fails to find the open man. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Quick feed to Rantanen. Just wide of the net. The Bolts will play it from the defensive zone. Hagel's picking up steam. Into the middle of the neutral zone. Tampa Bay's got it now. And that shot gets caught in traffic. Quick pass to Kadri. Puts it on goal. There's a great glove save by Vasilevsky. Here in the late going of the frame, it's 2-1. Colton's won a big draw in their own end. Here's a short pass to Johnson. Sends a pass over. Just wide. Delayed penalty coming up here by the official. Hammers it on net. Just a simple save by Vasilevsky. Whistle blown, stopping the play.
Maybe just a touch over aggressive here as they try to get the equalizer, but now they got to kill a penalty.
And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
This is a confident power play group. They've already been on the board in this game, and they want more. You can just tell by how quickly they got out there.
They'll want to clear the zone here while they're trying to kill off this penalty. Gets it out of his own end. Colorado's got a hold of the puck now. Nice zone entry on the left side. Here he is from the slot. How do you miss that, Ray?
I don't know, but we all do. You're right in the scoring zone, and you don't even test the goalie.
Here's a shot. Off the glove, but the puck skips away.
Vasilevsky's been a leader tonight. You don't need a speech. You need to play well. He's done that tonight, and he's kept his team right in it.
Colorado's got it across the line. Makes a move, and the puck hops away from him.
Burakovsky's trying a little bit too much there. You're in the offensive zone. Just make a direct, simple, quick play. Probably better off than trying to do what he did there.
Here's a shot, and that banks off a stick. Tampa Bay's got possession while undermanned. And the puck is moved to a safer spot on the ice. Scrum along the boards. Burakovsky's got it in the defensive end. The Avs' man advantage is over.
Well, the penalty killers can go back to the bench knowing they did their job.
He scores!
A finish late in the period seems to carry over into the next period more often than not. What a great time to score.
The Avalanche have now given themselves a 2-goal lead as they approach the end of the second period. They've looked good.
They've looked good, they've looked fast, they've been aggressive, and now they can't take a back step as they'd love to go into the intermission with a 2-goal margin.
Well, 2 periods down and 1 more still to come. Third period action right after we get a clean sheet of ice.
Fans, take a look to the sky. The home team Zeppelin is loaded with prizes, headed your way all intermission long.
They're ready to drop the puck on period number 3. He's Ray Ferraro. I'm James Cybulski. Let's do this. Here we go. Put up or shut up for both teams here in this third period. We are underway. Well, we've got 2 periods under our belts to this point so far, Ray. How do you see things?
Tampa Bay's players have to be feeling a little frustrated. They've had much of the time of possession, but they're still chasing the game.
Up along the wing. The Bolts looking against the half wall. The Avs get a hold of the puck in their own end. Colorado's got a hold of it against the wall. Puck picked up by Rantanen. Colorado's on the attack. The Bolts gain possession in their own end. Great cross-ice pass. Great use of the stick at center by McKinnon. The Avalanche have gained possession off the wall. Grabbed along the board by Nichushkin. Great heads-up play to poke it away at the offensive end. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. Takes the pass as he banks it off the wall. Great poke check on the reach. Tampa Bay's going to play the puck from behind the cage. Nice feed at center, moves up ahead now. Drives to the crease. Stopped by the goaltender. He got a little piece of that one. And skilled use of the stick to poke the puck away. The Avalanche have possession along the boards. Moves it quickly over to Taves. Broken up by Point. The Lightning have the puck in the open ice. Tampa Bay's got possession here in the offensive zone. Kemper's going to hang on and just let things settle down for a moment.
He really didn't have many options to play the puck, but in a close game, you want to be sure every time you do.
Lots of hockey left to be played in this period. It's a 3-1 hockey game. Lots of offense already. Moves it to Sergachev. Moves the puck from off the bank pass. And that's blocked. Picked up along the wall by Paul. Can't complete the pass as it goes off a stick. Almost lost the puck, but hangs on here as play continues. Stops him with a glove. Kemper's going to slow things down and opts for the whistle.
He's had a really good night. He's been on top of his game, and there's not been much that's given him trouble.
More than half the period left to play. Crowd's been into this one right from the get-go. It's 3-1. Taken by Manson. Battling for it along the boards. Moves it to Sergachev. Quick feed to Paul. Nice zone entry from the middle. Here he is, shot right in front. That goes off a twig. Through center along the wing. Oh, what a smart heads-up play. Stop that one. And he serves it across to Maroon. Tampa Bay's got it along the wall. Quick pass to McDonough. Turned aside with a glove by Kemper. Teams are lined up, and we are ready to take this draw. The Avs take possession off the faceoff, and they keep the pressure on. Oh, I thought he was going to be beaten, and he somehow got a piece of that. They take possession as he locks him up off the faceoff. Sends it over to Johnson. Takes the pass. And they won't connect on that one. Here's a shot. Shut down by the blocker. Back at the point, they set it up. Puck grabbed by Stern. Nice pass. Puck scooped up by Aubé-Kubel. And now it's grabbed by Perry. Here's a short pass to Bellemare. Takes a shot. That's blocked away. Kemper's on top of the puck, and that'll stop the play.
Pretty conservative play here, James, as he covers it up to kill the play.
Nearing the midway mark of the period, Colorado's got a 3-1 lead as they have dominated for the most part in this. The Avs win the draw. Handles the puck. From the left side, they gain the zone. Here he is in front, and they can't connect. Looks to set up at the point now. That's 3 consecutive goals.
Now the goalie keeps looking over to the coach saying, why am I still in here? 3 straight for them.
Colorado's all too aware there's no mercy rule in hockey. They continue to apply the pressure.
No, they're laying a beating on these guys now. It may be time to lay back just a bit.
And that pass attempt is deflected. Moves it quickly over to McKinnon. That's gloved by Vasilevsky.
Oh, he reads the play really well to get out and aggressive to make that save.
Play set to resume with the face-off ready to go. Tampa Bay's got a hold of the puck. The Bolts move it ahead. Moves it to Stamkos. And that's knocked away by Nichushkin. Colorado's got a hold of the puck. Textbook poke check by Rantanen. Kucherov's carrying it ahead. Sends the pass down low. Off his stick! Oh, what a stop! And the goalie covers up for the whistle. Here in the back half of this period, Colorado's got a 3-goal lead. Kadri's won the faceoff. Tosses it to Burakovsky. Lets it go. Shuts him down. Taken along the wall by Ruda. Puts it on net. Makes the save. Puck picked up by Hedman. The Bolts move to the offensive zone. Puck dumped in, allowing for the blue line to get some fresh legs out there. Delayed penalty coming up here. Whistle stops the play.
You're almost at the point where the clock can't move fast enough. Down by a bunch and now shorthanded.
Another power play opportunity coming up here.
They've already been successful on the power play. No need to change anything, but you can't lose the urgency that made it work earlier in the game.
Scooped up along the wall by McDonough. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Paul's got it behind the net. Some solid defensive work in their own end with the poke check. Referee signals penalty coming up here with a delayed call. There's the whistle, and here's the call.
Where's the escape hatch here? I mean, this night is not going very well. This penalty won't help it out either.
Colorado's got a 5-on-3 and lots of time on their side.
Not often you get a 5-on-3 of this length. You can score early. You might be able to get 2.
And he slides it quickly to Johnson. Here's an opportunity. Gets in front of it. There's the whistle as the puck is frozen up.
Rantanen's a good passer who doesn't throw it too hard or too soft, guys. He can dish them out just right to make sure his team can get things going. That's his tape-to-tape zone ability, and it's how he likes to contribute to the play.
Stopped by the goaltender. Goaltender covers it up, and we'll get a reset here. Kadri's ready for the draw on this man advantage. The Avs will go to work here in the offensive zone. And that's picked off. Chernak's got it through center. The Bolts carried along the wall. Quick pass to Kadri. The Lightning have the puck while undermanned. Quick feed to Cirelli. Trying to clear the zone. And they do just that.
I thought they did a pretty good job there, James. That's a time you can get yourself running around in the zone. They didn't get there.
Vasilevsky's going to slow things down and up for the whistle.
Well, you got to kill the play eventually. That way everyone can get reorganized.
Power play set to roll on as the setters get ready for the faceoff. Colorado's won the draw. Quick pass to Makar. And the traffic jam in front blocks the shot. Here's a short pass to Comfer. Turns it aside with the glove. Puts it on net. Lays out to get in front of that one.
McDonough's time is almost done. Well, the power play melts away. They don't get anything on it. I don't think it's particularly important because they've got such a nice lead here.
And scores!
James, how many timeouts can you have? Because they need one now. They needed one before. And the way this is going, they're going to need one in a few minutes.
Or they could use the ghost of Roger Nielsen to wave that white towel.
Guys, it's his speed that allows him to keep that rush going. His wheel zone ability, it allows him to pass to his teammates. They're the ones who finish the play, but it's about how fast he's moving that really helps get things going there.
Slides it quickly to Ruda. Puck sent across the blue line. He scores! The big man, Victor Hedman!
His thunderclap superstar ability is that powerful point slap shot that he used to score in that last play, guys. He doesn't always get a chance to wind up and fire, but this time he took advantage of that time and space.
Taken by Makar. Moves it quickly over to Burakovsky. Oh, what a stop! Along the boards, they battle for the puck. Great reach with the poke check. Puck grabbed by Ruda. Moves it over to Stamkos. Look out! That's blocked. O'Connor's got the puck along the wing. Takes the feed up ahead. And now he moves it quickly to Comfer. And that's poked away by Hedman. Colorado's got the puck. Working the puck deep inside their own end. Receives the pass. Moves it around along the half wall. The Lightning have the puck in their own zone. From the right wing, he moves it to the middle. Takes the shot and makes the save. Kemper's going to hang on to that one for a whistle.
Quickly on top of that, James, he needed a cover there. I had a playoff run like this. When you score in the playoffs, you feel like you can score every night.
And as the puck is dropped, they win the draw here inside the defensive zone. Moves it to Nichushkin. Into the attacking area from the left side. The Bolts scoop it up along the boards. And that pass can't connect. Moves the puck. The Avs have it from their own end. Can't get it to go. All alone on the breakaway. And puts it off the iron.
He looks so comfortable here, confident in all alone, just not able to get the bounce.
In the final moments of this period, here we are, it's 5-2 in this one. The Bolts get a hold of the puck in their own end. Passes over to Hagel. Quick feed to Colton. The Bolts take it along the wall. The Avs have a hold of it in the defensive zone. Quick pass to Rantanen. Slides the puck ahead to Paul. And no luck on that pass attempt. The Avalanche have the puck against the boards. We got a whistle offside to call. The centermen glide into position. Great read by the winger to take possession with the two centermen tied up. Moves the puck along the half wall. Poked away in the offensive end. Takes a whack but still hangs on. Looking to set up offensively. A shot, and makes the save. Again, the denial by the goaltender. And that's all she wrote on this one as we are in the books. Well, a big win here tonight, and they take a commanding 3-1 lead.
That's a crushing loss for their opponents. You're in the series at 2-1. Now all of a sudden you feel like a series win is a long, long way away.
My name is James Cybulski, and on behalf of Ray Ferraro, thanks so much for hanging out with us. What an intense evening from this playoff atmosphere.